and welcome back to video 6 in chapter 6 of the Dreamweaver series. This video is entitled Formatting and Styling Tables with CSS. So in this video we will be formatting tables with CSS. Now this is going to involve a little bit of work to start with, but in the end the table is more visually appealing and it has a reusable style that can be applied to other tables. It is possible to create CSS tagged elements to all parts of a table, such as the cells with the TD tag and with the rows the TR tag. We're going to create a general rule for background color, border and font appearance, and then after that we're going to create a more specific rules. So let me show you how we do all this. This is what we've gone and done in the last video. But we're going to go up to our top table. So what you need to do is to make sure that the top table has been selected. Now we're creating a rule for this table. So what we need to do is to go into the new CSS rule and we're going to create a class rule for the table. So this rule is only going to apply to a table. We're going to have to give it a name and we'll call this styled table. And we want to make sure that it is not on this document only. So it'd only be for tips HTML. We actually want it for our external style sheet, My Styles. And we're going to click OK. We want to go to background and the background is going to be a hash followed by 3 Fs. And we click OK. And the first thing you'll notice is that nothing has happened because we need to apply the class to the table. So we're going to go to the class, we look for style table, and there you go. We've now got the colored background. Okay, so we want to add a few more rules to the style table. So let's double click on it. And under type, we're going to put down the following. We need to create a font, so we're going to make that Verdana. The font size is going to be 10 and the background color is going to be a dark blue, and that means it's going to be hash 006, and we're going to click apply and we're going to click OK. So it's starting to look really quite good. Now for a less used CSS rule, and that's called border collapse. And so if we come over here, we can see that our styled CSS rule is highlighted and there's details of that rule here. Well, we're going to add another property to this rule. So we click on it and we're going to give this rule a name, and it's called border-collapse. And we press return. And you see that this side opens up and we click collapse. And that adds another rule to the CSS style. Okay, so let's see what it looks like after we've gone and saved everything. So File, Save All, File, Preview in Browser. And our finished result is this so far. Okay, so there's a little bit of an intro in how to use CSS rules within a table. I'll show you some more workings of CSS in the next video. Look forward to seeing you then. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.